of a bitch! That's why you don't steal purses! Pussy! Excuse me? You talking about my man? Oh, you the hoe that slept with them last night? Oh, you wanna know where I am? I'm at Percy. Beans can, nigga. Oh, shit, come on. Mama gotta get a drink. She thirsty. Mama thirsty. Yeah, I'm gonna get myself an ice cold tea, baby. Ice cold tea. Oh, my purse! Where'd my purse go? Oh! That's how you don't steal purses, you stupid fuck! Oh! I feel something creeping up in my... Oh, I gotta let one loose here. I gotta find myself a restroom. I gotta find a restroom quickly. Oh, she's coming. Oh. 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 I left my purse. Oh, there it is. Oh, thank goodness. Silly me. Silly me. Leaving my purse out. I am parched today. Yes, I am. Oh, well, I gotta catch me a ride out of here. Oh, I'm waiting for one of... Oh! Taxi! Taxi! Please, please, taxi! Taxi! Oh, no! Oh, shoot! Shoot, my purse! Oh, excuse me, kind sir. Oh, thank you, sweetie, for watching my purse for me, you heaven-sent little angel. Heaven-sent. You sweet little heaven-sent angels. I think that's why you don't want to steal a purse. I would guess myself.